Imagine a quiet mountain retreat where the air is rich with the aroma of sacred herbs. In the stillness, monks tend to ancient gardens, whispering prayers as they pluck leaves bathed in the first light of dawn. These are no ordinary plants. They are Buddha's 5 sacred herbs, revered for centuries as powerful tools to cleanse the mind, heal the body, and uplift the spirit. What makes these herbs so extraordinary? Monks believe they hold the essence of universal energy, bridging the gap between the material and spiritual worlds. Their fragrances calm the restless mind, while their essences are used in meditative rituals to awaken inner peace. These herbs are more than remedies. They are spiritual allies, carrying wisdom that has been passed down through generations. Have you ever wondered how nature could hold the keys to a balanced life? How a simple leaf could help unlock clarity, resilience, and harmony? In this journey, we'll explore the mystical world of these sacred herbs, each with its unique properties and powers, and discover how they can guide us toward a life of peace, abundance, and spiritual awakening. Prepare to uncover nature's most profound secrets. Number 1. Tulsi, the Queen of Herbs. Tulsi, also known as sacred basil, holds a revered place in spiritual and holistic traditions, often referred to as the Queen of Herbs. Its presence is considered highly auspicious, believed to purify not only the physical environment, but also the energy around us. In Buddhist philosophy, Tulsi transcends its role as a medicinal plant to become a spiritual guardian, shielding us from negative energies and fostering inner harmony. The gentle, calming fragrance of Tulsi is a balm for the anxious mind. A cup of warm Tulsi tea can transform a chaotic day into a moment of serenity, bringing clarity and balance. Buddhist monks often incorporate Tulsi into their prayers and rituals, believing that its sacred essence amplifies their intentions and deepens their spiritual connection. A simple act, like placing a sprig of Tulsi near your meditation space, can enhance focus and create a peaceful atmosphere for inner reflection. Tulsi is not only a spiritual ally, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, it strengthens the immune system and protects the body from environmental stressors. Its adaptogenic properties help combat stress, promote mental clarity, and rejuvenate the body. Imagine starting your day with a steaming cup of Tulsi tea. As you take each sip, you feel its warmth spreading through your body, washing away fatigue and filling you with renewed energy and tranquility. Tulsi is more than an herb. It's a ritual of mindfulness and self-care. It reminds us to slow down, reconnect with our inner selves, and embrace the healing power of nature. By welcoming Tulsi into your life, you invite a sense of purity, peace, and vitality that nurtures both body and soul. Neem, the miracle tree. Neem, often hailed as the miracle tree, is revered in many spiritual and healing traditions for its powerful purifying and rejuvenating qualities. In Buddhist rituals, neem is used not only to cleanse the body, but to purify the soul. Its bitter essence is symbolic of the process of removing negativity and toxic energies from our lives. Neem teaches us that even the bitter, difficult experiences can lead to profound healing and transformation. Imagine immersing yourself in a warm bath filled with fresh neem leaves. As the water touches your skin, you feel a deep sense of cleansing, as if all negativity is being washed away. This act of purification, practiced by monks, serves as a reminder that true healing begins from within. Monks also burn neem branches during spiritual practices, filling the air with a cleansing smoke that purifies the space and helps create an environment conducive to meditation. Neem's presence invokes a sacred energy that removes obstacles and brings clarity to the mind. Beyond its spiritual significance, neem is also a powerful medicinal herb with a long history of use in holistic healing. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it an effective natural purifier. Neem leaves are often ground into a paste to treat wounds, soothe skin irritation, and combat impurities. Its detoxifying effects extend beyond the skin, promoting overall wellness by purifying the body from within. By incorporating neem into your daily routine, whether through a soothing bath, skincare treatments, or simply having its essence around you, you invite a holistic purification that nurtures your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Neem is not just an herb. It is a transformative tool that helps us embrace the healing power of life's bitter lessons leading us toward balance and renewal. Number 3. Lotus, the symbol of patience. The lotus, a profound emblem in Buddhist teachings, embodies patience, resilience, and purity. Emerging from murky waters, it blossoms into an immaculate flower, symbolizing the human journey of rising above life's challenges to attain enlightenment and inner peace. This duality of its existence, rooted in mud yet untouched by impurity, offers a timeless lesson. No matter how difficult the circumstances, we have the potential to grow, transform, and shine with unparalleled grace. In Buddhism, the lotus is more than a mere plant. It is a revered teacher. Monks often meditate near lotus ponds, drawing inspiration from its journey. They observe how the flower opens with the sunrise and closes at dusk, a reminder of life's natural rhythms and the importance of patience in personal growth. The gentle fragrance of the lotus has the power to uplift one's spirit, creating a sense of calm and focus. Even placing an image or representation of the lotus in your living space can infuse the surroundings with positivity, elegance, and spiritual energy. Beyond its symbolic significance, the lotus is a treasure trove of practical benefits. Its seeds, rich in essential nutrients, are widely used in traditional medicine to promote physical strength and mental tranquility. Consuming lotus seeds can calm the mind and aid in emotional balance, making them a natural remedy for stress. The petals of the lotus can be steeped into a soothing tea, known to enhance mental clarity and encourage relaxation. With the lotus, every part of the plant teaches us something profound. Its roots represent grounding, the stem resilience, and the flower purity. Together they remind us that growth, even from the deepest challenges, is not only possible, but can lead to extraordinary beauty and strength. The lotus, in its entirety, is a symbol of life's transformative journey. Ashwagandha, the power of balance. Ashwagandha, often referred to as the strength of a horse, is a remarkable herb that seamlessly connects the physical and spiritual aspects of life. Its roots are revered for their ability to stabilize the body and elevate the soul, offering a profound sense of harmony. In Buddhist practices, ashwagandha symbolizes balance, a cornerstone of spiritual growth and inner peace. Imagine starting your morning with a warm cup of milk infused with ashwagandha. As the earthy aroma fills the air, you take a sip and feel a calming wave wash over you. The stress of yesterday begins to fade, replaced by a sense of vitality and serenity. This herb, known for its adaptogenic properties, works at the cellular level to help the body adapt to stress, bringing physical energy and mental clarity. For centuries, Buddhist monks have turned to ashwagandha during their intense meditation routines. Its ability to sustain energy while fostering calm focus has made it a trusted companion in their spiritual journey. Ashwagandha teaches us an essential lesson. True strength does not come from resistance but from balance, balancing action with stillness, effort with relaxation, and ambition with contentment. The health benefits of ashwagandha are extensive. It is a natural adaptogen, enabling the body to manage stress more effectively. It supports mental clarity, improves the quality of sleep, and enhances overall energy levels, making it an invaluable ally in modern life. Regular use can strengthen immunity, regulate hormones, and restore vitality, allowing you to approach each day with resilience and calm. Sandalwood, the fragrance of peace. Sandalwood, a revered and sacred herb, holds a special place in Buddhist rituals and teachings. Known for its calming and grounding fragrance, it is often used during prayer, meditation, and spiritual ceremonies. Its soothing aroma transcends the senses, creating an atmosphere of tranquility that fosters a deeper connection with the self and the divine. In Buddhist practices, sandalwood is more than an aromatic herb. It is a bridge to higher realms of consciousness. Imagine the serene experience of holding a smooth sandalwood mala in your hands, each bead symbolizing a step on your spiritual journey. As your fingers move over the beads during meditation, a sense of stability and mindfulness envelops you. Similarly, the act of burning sandalwood incense transforms any space into a sanctuary. Its gentle smoke carries with it a divine energy, believed by monks to purify the mind and environment, creating a sacred space for introspection and enlightenment. Sandalwood's benefits extend beyond its spiritual significance to its therapeutic properties. Its essential oil is a natural elixir for calming the mind, enhancing focus, and promoting emotional balance. A few drops in a diffuser can instantly transform a room, filling it with an aura of peace and stillness. The oil's nourishing properties also make it a popular choice for skincare, leaving the skin rejuvenated and radiant. This sacred herb invites us to slow down and embrace the present moment. Its essence reminds us to breathe deeply, let go of external chaos, and reconnect with our inner selves. Whether through the tactile comfort of mala beads, the aromatic embrace of incense, or the soothing effects of its oil, sandalwood teaches us to cultivate peace and harmony in our lives, a fragrance that lingers in both body and soul. These 5 sacred herbs are gifts of nature, each resonating with different aspects of our lives. They teach us lessons of purity, patience, balance, and connection. By incorporating these herbs into our daily routines, we align ourselves with the natural rhythm of the universe. Whether it's drinking Tulsi tea in the morning, immersing yourself in a Neem bath, meditating near a lotus, taking ashwagandha for balance, or lighting sandalwood incense during prayer, these practices open the doors to a life of harmony and abundance. As you hear the stories of these sacred herbs, you may feel drawn to one in particular. Perhaps it is Neem's purifying energy, or ashwagandha's grounding essence. Maybe lotus's patience speaks to your soul, or Tulsi's protective aura brings you peace. Whatever herb calls to you, embrace it with an open heart and let it guide you. Buddha's teachings remind us that life is a journey of growth and discovery. These sacred herbs are companions on this journey, offering us their wisdom and energy to face challenges and attain inner peace. Incorporate these sacred herbs into your life and witness the transformation they bring. Feel the purity of Tulsi, embrace Neem's purifying power, enjoy the patience of the lotus, experience ashwagandha's balance, and welcome the peace of sandalwood. These are not just herbs. They are the essence of Buddha's wisdom, waiting to illuminate your path. Buddha's teachings remind us that by aligning with nature, we not only understand ourselves better, but also improve the world by becoming part of it. Embrace these wonderful herbs and illuminate your life with purity, patience, balance, and peace. You too can witness a unique transformation on this spiritual journey. If you enjoyed our video, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into spiritual knowledge. Enhance your life with the incredible power of these sacred herbs, and join us for more enlightening spiritual insights. Please share your thoughts and experiences with us. We are always ready to listen. Thank you, and stay in peace and balance until the next video.